can I? Have you ever seen somebody doing something and you're like, I want to do that? Think about if these are familiar excuses. Things like, oh, I can't do that. I'm not smart enough. No, I can't do that. I'm not cool enough. I'm not good looking enough. I'm not tall enough. I'm not rich enough. I am not enough. Raise your hand if you have had or heard those excuses. We all have. Henry Ford said, whether you think you can or you think you can't, you are right. I'm gonna give you 3 words that you can take with you that is gonna change your perspective and help you on your journey like it's helped me on mine. And those 3 words are, how can I? How can I?
I like that you had a question with it and it made people think of it automatically.
I had a lot of I can'ts, but I changed my mindset to how can I? What's the question, Missouri FBLA? How can I?
It's something easy that people can remember. How can I?
I wanted to go amazing places, see incredible things, and meet cool people. Who feels like they want that in their life? I end up teaching English in Japan, and this is where I see the craziest thing. I see a group of people riding unicycles. But this wasn't just regular people riding unicycles. There were 25 6-year-olds riding unicycles. Have you ever seen somebody doing something and you're like, I want to do that? So I got my hands on a unicycle. Said, how can I? What did I ask? How can I?
We saw a different way of presenting a keynote, that it wasn't so much about a message of overcoming adversity, but it was a message of being who you want to be. What we were seeing was students up and moving around and laughing and dancing with each other, and that's the energy that we wanted to provide at our opening session. It's exactly what we always ask of our keynotes, but it was beyond expectations what we received from Joe Fingerhut. 100% without a doubt, I would recommend Joe Fingerhut.
Create moments, lead by action, and inspire with connection.